Welcome to Farlex Pharmaceuticals Pvt Limited, where innovation meets reliability. With over a decade of unwavering commitment, Farlex has been a trusted name in the pharmaceutical industry. Below the heart of our operations, our advanced manufacturing unit. Our PCD division is the backbone of our expansive reach as high-quality products. Farlex Pharmaceuticals boasts a diverse portfolio with over 1,000 plus high-quality products. Our products range: oncology range, orthopedic range, dermatology range, pediatric range, neuropsychiatric range, ophthalmic range, critical care range, cardiac diabetic range, respiratory range, nutraceutical range, gastro range, urology range. Quality is not just a promise, it's our commitment to you. Our customers speak for us. At Farlex, innovation drives our progress. Thank you for taking a glimpse into the world of Farlex Pharmaceuticals Pvt Limited.